Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video here on Aviation Code, and on today's video we are going to talk about Delta's Airbus A330-900NEO. Airbus has just posted a photo of the first Airbus A330NEO for Delta Airlines, and I think it's a good opportunity to talk about the overall order that Delta has for the A330-900NEO. Back in November of 2018, Delta expanded its order for the A330neo, so they had 25 of the aircraft on order, and they ordered 10 additional A330neos. So now they have 35 total orders for the aircraft, and these new 10 aircraft are valued at $2.96 billion at list prices. The first aircraft is due to delivery this year. It will probably take about 6 months or more, because currently there is only one airline to fly the A330neo. Anyways, Delta is the fourth airline to have an A330neo painted in its colors, after TAP Portugal, Azul from Brazil, and WOW Air from Iceland. You can see the photo of the aircraft, and thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.